Okay, guys, I had a pretty interesting day this morning, and I wanted to record this now. It's midday, and I just stopped the live stream to go and have something to eat. Before I do that, I wanted to show you guys exactly what's going on here. OXY, I took a trade this morning, and it was back here. You can see the 15-minute time frame. Let me show you the daily. We're looking at different formations here on this nice range, low at 1020, but I was looking for 945 test. Going back to the 15, and this is a 1 minute time frame. Let me go back here to show you how it looked at the open and why I liked this trade so much. It was making this trend here. Okay, we had an uptrend, but at some point I knew that this thing was going to reverse. We had the VWAP very close, and I was looking for the reversal. I also had this 1065 support on the prior day on the daily, so I was looking for a test, a breakdown, and also again a 945 test, right? So I put a order. This is a short sell restriction as of right now. On this one is shortable, but it means that if they has a only short sell restriction here without the little s, the broker wouldn't give you any shares. You have nothing available to share to short. Now if it has a little s here, that is, it means it's shortable, but you have to short this one on an uptick. You're not allowed to short it on the bid. This morning there was no rules enforced, and this thing flushed down. On this reversal, I stepped in right on the middle of this mess when this thing started to break under this nice bear flag pattern on the 5-minute time frame, coming right back down. It's kind of slow mover. You see that this is 20-minute move on this 5-minute candles, and it actually worked out very well. What I started to do, because it was trading really kind of slow, as it was actually trading under and under and under, and it got under the 1065, I started to shift my stop limit order. I put a high stop to be able to be taken out if this thing was about to shoot up. And we have a order right here at 1074. We had a stop limit order. I put it in because I had to fill at 1077. I put it just to kind of break even at 1075 with a limit price to be filled. Trigger 1075, limit price to be filled at $10.77, just to make sure that if worst case scenario, this thing was gonna just get me out and give me on break even. Flushing down, I kept on just removing the order, put it in slow, lower and lower and lower and lower, and in this shoot up right here on this hammer that you can see on the 1-minute time frame, when this thing shoot up, it took me out 1056. Then I didn't realize, but it started to still hover around the 1065 area, came right back up and had this nice reversal. When it finally broke, I want to see if I can show you a couple of pictures of the level 2 taking size. I mean, like, I'm talking about a little bit of size here, 50,000 shares and stuff like that. There was a time that somebody put 100,000 shares, 100,000 shares on this thing, and this thing just shoot up like crazy. So then it started to hover around these areas, you see, and it broke up this formation, but it came right back down. It started to test the 1065 on the daily. I was looking for that thing. This is 1040 here that I want to show you. Why I have this trend line here is because he had a retest a couple of times here, like shut down. I missed that entry, tested the 1040 here, started to come in, size started to come in. See a lot of support around this area, right? ABCD pattern, A, B, C, and D pattern. Retest of the 1040, and came right back up, retested the 1040 again, and this time around it actually broke under as well again. Came down over here, size actually started to step in. This candle, huge size of $10.30. Amazingly big size. As of right now, still, trending stuff. It's midday. It's 12:28. As of right now, I'm gonna step out to get some to eat. Another stock that I missed was X, US Steel. Let me bring it over. So you can see the trend lines that I have set here. It was having a top on the 15 minutes. I started to put all of this information on the Discord group. You can see here when it's actually taking this trend line for that resistance. Every time he had a retest, came right back up and slower, lower highs and lower highs and lower highs. And here got in, started to hover around this area at 692, and I had an order set, no short sell restriction here. As you can see, I had a stop limit order to short this one at 691. So I pennied under the trigger price with a limit price to be filled at $6.88. This thing held on too tight around this area and I didn't feel too comfortable. I ended up canceling the orders, and then like 5 minutes after, this thing flushed down because I canceled when right here when he was tapping this little candle 692, and then I cancel, and then after I cancel, this thing just shoot up, and I started saying, oh, thank God that I canceled and all that kind of stuff. Flagged, broke under, tested the 100, came right back up, retested here this 50 for that area, the same high that we have, kind of same high we have here at 699. We see here 698 and 699, retested at 50, flushed down, got a little support on the 100, bounced off a little bit, came right back down, came back up, retested as resistance, flushed down, tested the view app, hovered around here, flushed down, came right back up, retested, consolidation, and right back down again. So I missed that entry because I canceled it, and then he flushed down on me, and you already know what happened on OXY. As of right now, I'm all out. I'm green. Very decent day today, from 1077, 1056. Took all the shares. I'm not complaining at all. And as of right now, I'm gonna go get some to eat. And just wanted to bring you the video. And I wish you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And for now, I'll let you guys go, and happy trading.